Guarantee number 5, the Shakti program. Free bus tickets for women to travel around Karnataka. We want women to travel safely and comfortably. Travel should not be a burden on the women of Karnataka. These 5 ideas are your ideas.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has launched Shakti scheme, which provides free bus travel for women, and women amount to 50% of the population in the state. The scheme will be launched on June 11, 2023. This is one of the electoral promise assured to people of Karnataka prior to the Karnataka Assembly elections 2023. The Shakti scheme provides relief to women in the state who are suffering as a result of price increase and inflation. The state government of Karnataka has implemented all 5 guarantees within a month of coming into power. And each of the 5 schemes promised to the people of Karnataka requires huge fund mobilization. Siddaramaiah has directed ministers and legislators to ensure that the Shakti scheme reaches out to all eligible beneficiaries beyond all caste, religion and class. Siddaramaiah said he will launch the scheme in Bengaluru, and simultaneously the ministers and legislators should launch the scheme in their respective district and constituency.